Founded in the early 1950s as a privately owned company, Morgro specializes in the production of ice melting compounds and home and garden products. In the ice melt industry, Morgro supplies wholesalers and distributors throughout the United States, Alaska, and Canada. Morgro's tremendous growth over the years is largely due to our commitment to provide quality products and services to our customers. We're committed to the needs and demands of our customers. That's why during the fall and winter, we dedicate our entire manufacturing facility to the production of our ice melting products, and if necessary, operate 24 hours a day and inventory over 2 million pounds of finished product for our warehouse. In the ice melt industry, products are generally divided into 3 categories: pure, blended, and manufactured products. Pure products are those with a single ingredient, such as sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, urea, ammonium sulfate, and others. Some are pricey and some are not good de-icers. 2 examples are calcium chloride on the one hand and potassium on the other. Calcium chloride leaves an oily residue on the pavement, thus becoming slippery and staining carpets if tracked indoors. Potassium, on the other hand, has a freezing point higher than that of salt and is therefore not considered an applicable de-icer. Blended products refer to a group of de-icers which have a combination of 2 or more ingredients mixed together. Most products in this group are composed primarily of rock salt. Rock salt has a maximum freezing point of -6 degrees Fahrenheit and is therefore not considered a good de-icer. Calcium chloride, on the other hand, has a very effective maximum freezing point of -45 degrees Fahrenheit. Mixing these 2 ingredients in a ratio of 90% rock salt and only 10% calcium chloride would not produce an effective de-icer, with only 10 granules out of 100 performing well. With blended products, each particle has its own particular melting point and acts alone. Another problem with blended products is that particle sizes are not closely matched. Size differences cause the segregation of smaller sizes during shipping and handling. The majority of manufacturers in this category overemphasize the composition of their product by simply adding traces of different ingredients to sodium chloride without improving the overall performance. Manufactured products are de-icers comprised of particles, pellets, or granules that contain all the ingredients listed on the label for that product. Each particle will perform optimally and in a uniform way. These manufactured products are homogeneous, thereby significantly improving the overall performance of the product. It is important to recognize that there is a tremendous difference between blended products and manufactured products in the ice melt industry. Because of our commitment to quality, all of Morgro's products are manufactured for optimal performance. Now let's talk about the process. Quality is a high priority in Morgro's production process. Therefore, all of our ice melting products are produced from our specially screened solar salts, which are 99.5% pure, with a screen size which is ideal for snow and ice melting. This screening excludes small particles, which cannot penetrate deeply enough to break the bond between ice and pavement, and also large particles, which are slow to react with snow and ice. Many competitors use low-grade base materials, which are of a wide range of particle sizes, thus reducing their efficiency by 20 to 35%. At Morgro, all of our products are coated rather than blended, with either magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, or propoly-ice. Coating is important to ensure that each particle contains the entire formula and works synergistically. Additionally, all of Morgro's ice melting products are colored with a non-staining color in order to aid the applicator during de-icing. Over-application is the primary cause of tree and shrub damage, as well as tracking it indoors. Many competitors offer products that are white or colorless crystals that cause difficulty in determining the quantity of de-icer dispersed. The materials and additives used to manufacture all of Morgro's products are non-hazardous and do not require the use of gloves or respirators as required by some competing products. Also, because we carefully screen out all of the fine material, applicators and adjacent surfaces do not become coated with dust. Each of our quality products was strategically created to meet a specific market demand. In each case, comparison to the competition puts Morgro at the top of the list. For a complete comparison chart, contact us. Now, let's introduce our industry's superior ice melt product lineup. Ice Fighter Plus. Ice Fighter Plus is our premium ice melt product. Developed and patented by a civil engineer, it is the only ice melt that helps prevent the major cause of concrete damage, freeze-thaw damage. Freeze-thaw damage occurs when melted water enters the pores of the concrete. As freezing takes place, trapped water expands, causing flaking and cracking. Ice Fighter Plus is a two-component system consisting of the ice melt, sodium chloride crystals, and Propoly Ice, our patented inhibitor. During the manufacturing process, the Propoly Ice anti-caking agents and colorant are mixed with and coated onto the ice melt in such a manner as to produce a uniformly coated product. Ice Fighter Plus, coated with the Propoly Ice polymer, combined with melted water to form a polymer barrier that reduces the amount of water entering into the pores of the concrete by up to 80%. Entrapped water now has room to expand as freezing occurs. Ice Fighter Plus has an extended shelf life, is colored blue for ease of application, and will not harm vegetation when used as directed. For those who are concerned about the excessive concrete damage caused by freeze-thaw, Morgro's Ice Fighter Plus is the best solution on the market today. Snowplow. Formulated to meet those situations where cost is critical, Snowplow is a superior product at a competitive price. Snowplow is a combination of solar salt and magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride, known as liquefier, melts down to a temperature of -27 degrees Fahrenheit and draws moisture from the air in order to facilitate the melting process. Each particle is coated, not blended, with magnesium chloride or liquefier, creating a uniformly efficient product. The inhibitor in liquefier helps to reduce corrosion to exposed metals and is very safe to use. Snowplow is non-toxic to children and pets, can be handled safely with bare hands, and is USDA approved for use around food processing operations. Snowplow is safe to use on concrete and will not harm trees, shrubs, or vegetation when used as directed. Snowplow is safe on carpets and floors and leaves no oily residue. Snowplow's green-colored granules reduce the possibility of over-application, the major cause of tracking. You can't go wrong with Snowplow for those times when safety is a concern and budget is important. Cow Melt. The newest formula in our product lineup, Cow Melt is a combination of solar salt and liquid calcium chloride. Cow Melt was specifically formulated for those markets or bid requirements that specify a calcium chloride ice melt product. Each granule is coated with liquid calcium chloride, which has an effective melting temperature of -24 degrees Fahrenheit and a non-staining pink colorant. Cow Melt's pink crystals react quickly with moisture in the air to rapidly and effectively begin the melting process. Unlike some purified forms of calcium chloride products, Cow Melt does not require the use of gloves or respirators and is safe to apply with bare hands. Cow Melt is safe to use around trees, shrubs, and vegetation when used as directed, and has an excellent shelf life of several years. Shrinking the competition with an impressive melting temperature of -24 degrees Fahrenheit and ease of use, Cow Melt is the perfect calcium chloride product for your next ice melting need. Whatever your ice melting needs, we're leading the way through quality and innovation. Morgro.